Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the magic archer from Clash Royale. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this magic archer, and to begin we're going to draw his eyebrows first, because it's really huge. So we can start out with drawing two lines like this, and then we're just going to give it some thickness. Just kind of come on down. We're going to close it off. So it's just basically kind of like two rectangular shapes. And then for his eyes, just right in below, draw two little curves like that. We're going to move down to his nose. So his nose is just going to be really simple, just kind of like an angle shape, and then on the side here, just kind of go up a little bit, just to give it a little bit of definition. And then his mouth, just kind of come across, his lower lip. Okay, and then from there we can finish off the face. So up here, let's start drawing the hairline. So just one angle like this. And then we're gonna come in to the eyebrow. And then from here, we're gonna go up. Just kind of finish off the hair, go all the way across, and come back down right underneath, right on the side of the eyebrows. And then here for the side of his face, so we're just gonna come down, just kind of come around, just come all the way down, because he's got his little beard here. So we're gonna draw a little angular shape, and then on the side here, I'm going to come down more, just kind of follow that same shape. Okay, so it's got a very mean looking beard, and then on the side here, there's going to be a little bit more of his beard, and then it's got a little bit of a sideburn right here. Okay, and then from there we can draw his ear. So just right behind, just draw two little curves like this. Very simple. And then we can give his hair a little bit of detail here. Just drawing some lines here. Makes his hair look a little bit cooler. And then even for his eyebrows, draw a couple of lines like this. Okay, and then for his beard as well, just a few lines. It's a lot meaner. Okay, and then from there we're gonna move down. We're gonna draw his neck, which is pretty thick. So we're gonna draw two lines like this. Okay, and then from there, right underneath here, we're gonna draw two triangles, and this is gonna be what's holding his cape together. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw his cape. So we're going to come in, just kind of go around it. Same thing here. Just have it tucked back. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw just a little bit of lip here. Just give his cape some thickness here. Okay, and then now we're going to come from here, just kind of come out. A little bit of curve in. I'm going to draw another curve, and then we'll just angle it back into the cape. Into the triangle. And then on the other side, kind of same thing. So we're going to come out, a little bit of overlap here, and then connect that. Okay, and then on the inside here, we can just kind of close it off, and then his shoulders will be right around there. Okay. This part's gonna be pretty dark. We'll see it much better once I color it. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna draw two lines right here. I think this is rope. So we'll draw three lines just to connect those. Okay, and then from there, let's move down. So for his clothing, just right here, we're gonna come down a little bit. And then we're gonna close it off. And we're gonna draw his belt buckle. So there's going to be one big triangle right there. And it's pretty large. And then we're gonna give this some thickness, so just draw that. Okay, and from there now we can draw in his this little shirt here. So just kind of come down, just curve it out a little bit, come straight down, and just kind of tuck it in. Okay, and then there's going to be another layer of clothing, so we're going to draw it. Okay, little lines like that. And then looks like he's got some straps here for the clothing, so we'll just draw two of them, and then just draw one line straight through. Okay, yeah, I know this thing's a little bit more complicated, but it's a very cool looking character. And then now we can draw his belt. So his belt's easy, just kind of come on down, just give it some thickness, and we'll give a little bit of a holes on that side. Okay, and then from here let's draw one more. So we're gonna come down, just kind of extend his clothing a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that, let's finish up his arms. So his arms just kind of come out, and then for his gloves, okay, and his arms would be right around there on the other side. And then now I'm just gonna have him hold a fist here, so that'll be his thumb, and we're gonna come down, just kind of angle it. Okay, so very simple. So now for the other one, and he's gonna be holding an arrow, so we're gonna come down on this side as well, just give a little bit of curvature. Now again, the kind of same shape. Okay, so now for his hand, so he's gonna come out, and then we're gonna draw one finger here, two finger, maybe another one right there, and then we'll just kind of close that off. So the thumb is gonna be on the inside, so we'll draw that later. So for the arrow, so we're gonna draw a line, okay, and then we're gonna give it some thickness here. Mine's a little bit crooked, but you can draw yours a little bit straighter. Then here, tip. Okay, and then the end. And it looks like he's got another one here. It is a magic arrow. And then one little tip here. Okay, and then for his thumb, you can just draw a little bit of line there. Okay, so let's move on. Let's see. Now for his legs, it just should be a little bit easier than the other part. So we're just gonna come down. Okay. Now we're gonna close it off. And for his boot, well, let's draw the other side too. So they are kind of symmetrical. So close it off, and it's gonna be behind the arrow. Now for his boot. Okay, so now we can just kind of come down. And then this one will extend it a little bit longer. And then now for his shoes, come across. And then it's gonna swoop up a little bit. Okay, and then other side. I'm gonna come down right around there, matching the other side. I'm gonna come down, out, swooping up a little bit. Okay, and then now we gotta finish the bow. And originally I had him holding the bow, but I think it's a little bit cooler if we put him behind him. So just come up here, angle, angle, and then angle. Just kind of follow along, and then it's gonna be thicker here, and then the string just kind of come across. Okay, so it's gonna be behind him. And then for his cape, so we can extend this, and then maybe like right here it comes out a little bit, So we can imagine the cape on the back. So we gotta draw this line here. Just kind of close it. And that's it for this new magic archer from Clash Royale. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please check out all my other videos. Give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.